This video was brought to you by SoGit. Buy or sell your Bitcoin and perfect money on SoGit.com. We will pay you instantly within 2 minutes. Sign up today at SoGit.com/register.
Thank you for joining us on SoGit for another tutorial section. My name is Adibayo, and today we'll be treating a useful topic called how to create a Neteller account in Nigeria. So without wasting time, let's just head on to the Neteller website. So if you want to go to Neteller, this is it. Okay, let me just type it so you can see. Neteller.com. So the company is based in UK and they are very popular, along with their sister website, Skrill. They allow us to use their services. That's Nigeria and it's good. So if you're on Neteller.com, the first thing you want to do if you are a new user, you just have to come here, you click on the sign in button. Oh, sorry, that's if you're an existing user, sign in button. But if you're a new user, click on join for free. So this is the registration page on Neteller. Okay, so if you're a new user, you just come here, you sign up with your information. Please, Neteller, they are like I said, they are based in UK, so they are a UK regulated company. So they comply with some stringent regulatory policy from the government, whereby they have a very thorough KYC onboarding process for new users. So unlike Perfect Money or Bitcoin, where you can use it anonymously, KYC is not compulsory, optional. On Neteller, they don't joke with KYC. So when you want to use your Neteller account, make sure that the registration, when you sign up, make sure that you sign up with your accurate personal information. Make sure that all the information you sign up with on Neteller, they are valid and active information. Don't use another person's information to register. Use your personal name to register, because when you sign up and you logged into your Neteller account, you'll be required to verify your account, and they require that you submit your ID card issued by the government, like your driver's license, a permanent voter's card, or your Nigerian passport, or national ID card. And I think the ID card they accept is the physical card, not the slip, not the NIM slip, not the paper slip. So make sure that you sign up with your accurate personal information, so you don't run into troubled waters in the future. Else your money will just be stuck if you cannot verify it. So also the address you sign up with on this company, make sure that the address has a valid utility bill, whereby you'll be able to verify the address, because Neteller will require you to verify your not just your ID card, your address. They also require you to verify your address that you put there. So the address you are going to provide a utility bill, maybe your electricity bill, like myself, I reside in Lagos, so Ikeja electric bill. But most time now, with your bank statement. So what I advise people to do is, when you are signing up on Neteller, you can use the address on your bank statement. Use the address that you used to open your bank account. So when you want to verify your address, just go to your bank and apply for a recent bank statement, maybe just 1 month or 2 weeks behind the current date, so that the address on the bank statement will show. So you just upload it on Neteller and they will accept it, and your account will be fully verified. So you sign up with your first name, your last name, your country is Nigeria. The currency, make it to be USD. Make the currency to be USD, since you'll be trading mostly with foreign website. Excuse me. Then the email address, put in your valid email here, then password. So I have all this information already and I've opened my account. So I'm just going to log into my Neteller account. So as you can see, guys, I've logged into my Neteller account, and you can see my Neteller account is fully verified. So once you open your Neteller account for the first time, and you logged into it like this, you are going to be asked to verify your Neteller account. If you remember, I told you during the registration at the registration page that you will need to verify your account because Neteller takes KYC very seriously. So you need to verify your account that you newly created. So the way Neteller works, for you to verify your account, they only permit verification on the Neteller app, on the Neteller mobile app. So which you can see on the screen. So you need to go to your Google Play Store for Android or the iOS device. You need to download the Neteller app. So it is through the Neteller app that you'll be able to do your verification. So it's on the when you log into the Neteller app as a new account holder, the app will ask you to upload your ID card, which I told you at the beginning. So when you upload your ID card, then the next thing you'll be required to do is to take a photo selfie. It's a it's a system generated operation, so you need to be very careful. So you take a photo selfie of it. You have to be accurate so the system can approve and allow you to submit what you upload. So after you do the photo selfie, then it will take some time. Then the system will automatically verify your uploaded ID card and photo selfie if it meets their requirements. So after doing that, next the system will ask you on the same Neteller app, you'll be asked to upload your proof of address, which I also told you at the beginning, because there's no point opening a Neteller account if you cannot verify the identity and the address you stated when you registered. So you have to upload a recent utility bill or bank statement. The address on your bank statement which you used to open the account, that's your bank account. So that is the address that Neteller will look at. So like I said, make sure that the address on your bank statement matches the address you used to open your Neteller account. So once you upload your bank statement or your recent utility bill, within that takes about 24 hours. Within 24 hours, Neteller will approve your address and your Neteller account will then be fully verified, which you can see here on my screen. So my Neteller account is fully verified. So once your Neteller account is fully verified, you can do all manner of transactions and operation on your Neteller account. Now, after doing that, once you log into your Neteller account, the first thing that you need to do with Neteller, of course, you need to deposit money, which I'm going to show you now. So for you to deposit money to your Neteller account, Neteller only accepts deposit by card, by a debit card. So if I simply go to this option here, this option money in simply means deposit. So I click on it. All right. So on this deposit page, Neteller only accepts credit or debit card. So this is the only way you can put in or you can transfer money to your Neteller account. So over the years, I have used different kind of cards on Neteller, but most of the time, Neteller declines most Nigerian bank issued card for different reasons. But over the years, like I said, I've used different cards, so I've come to realize that there's a particular card that Neteller easily accepts on their platform, which you can use to deposit money. Also, the card will also be used to is part of the verification. Actually, Neteller has three verification stages. The first one is for you to deposit money to your account using an approved card. So the next one is the ID card, and the third one is the verification. So I'm sorry for skipping the card verification method. So if you want to deposit, like I said, there's a particular card I use and it's called UBA AfriCard. That's the card I've discovered that over the years it works readily on Neteller for deposit. So if you are at this stage and you're having difficulty to deposit to your Neteller account, you've tried all manner of card and is always declining, you can try a UBA AfriCard. I've done several videos which you can check on the channel about this UBA AfriCard, especially to verify paper. So if you want to get this UBA, you can see it on the screen. So if you want to get this UBA AfriCard, simply go to any UBA branch in Nigeria and ask that open you want to open a UBA AfriCard. They will take you through the process and within 24 hours, the card should be issued to you. So you can see it on the screen. So this is the card that you can use to deposit to your Neteller account and it will go through successfully. So I'm just going to do a deposit for you to see that is working. So I'll just click on deposit. So there is a fee of 2.5% which you will pay when you want to deposit. Okay, so you can see the two cards that are linked to my account. I've also used MasterCard, but like I said, at times the Neteller they accept, at times they decline it. But over the years, I've come to realize that this UBA Africa, anytime I use it, it always goes smoothly. So I'll just select it and I'm going to make a deposit to my account so you can see. So I'll just make a deposit of, let's say, $10. Okay. Do you want this money to be available for payment on gambling site? I always take yes, because whenever you take no, you will discover that there are some websites you want to deposit money into, maybe some some websites you are using or forex brokers, and you want to use Neteller to deposit, and because you selected no at this point, the deposit may not go through on such website. But if you want your deposit to go through on any kind of website, always make sure that it's on this yes, so you can use the money on gambling and non-gambling websites. So I'll just click on continue. So you can see that this transaction will go through with my UBA AfriCard. So I'll just continue the process. All right, you can see it's taking me to UBA's site for me to confirm the payment. So I'll just check my phone for the code that was sent to me.
This video was brought to you by SoGit. Buy or sell your Bitcoin and perfect money on SoGit.com. We will pay you instantly within 2 minutes. Sign up today at SoGit.com/register.
All right, so I'm going to confirm the payment and validate it so you can see that the UBA card works on Neteller. I've done it several times. Perfect. So you can see my transaction was successful. So like I told you, the UBA AfriCard works smoothly on Neteller. So I hope you are finding this useful. So now we've done deposits on Neteller. So how can you withdraw from Neteller? Okay, so let's say you receive money on your Neteller, probably somebody sends you money and you want to withdraw it. So you simply come to this portion here. You click on money out. Just click on money out. So once you click on the money out, you'll be able to withdraw money from your Neteller to your bank account in Nigeria. So there are different options that Neteller uses to withdraw, but the one that is quite common is this bank account. You see? So if you want to withdraw to your bank account from Neteller, you simply select this bank account. Though I've only used it once because I didn't enjoy the experience, the fee is quite high. You can see a fee of $12.75 will be deducted from any amount you are withdrawing, and that's not so palatable to me. So, but if you want to get to it, simply click on withdraw now. Then another issue is that on this option, Neteller only supports very few banks in Nigeria. Fine, you can withdraw dollars from your Neteller account to your bank account, but only I think 2 or 3 banks are supported the last time I did it. So let me check now. Probably they've added more banks to it. Okay. So, but I will show you another method of doing this. So, and remember, the bank supported, you need to have a US DOM account. That's a domiciliary account. So, as at now, let me see. Okay, like I told you, only 3 banks: Fidelity Bank, GT Bank, and Polaris Bank are the banks that are supported, and they will pay the USD from your account to your domiciliary account in Nigeria. So you need to have a domiciliary account with any of these 3 banks here. So you simply drop the bank details of those banks, and you simply click, you simply add them and continue, and you complete your withdrawal process, and the money will be paid to your, so you receive US dollars in your domiciliary account between 2 to 3 working days. The money should hit your account so you can withdraw dollars. But the fee, like I told you, I'm not too convenient with it. So what I usually do most time is, whenever I want to withdraw money from my Neteller account, I simply transfer it to another Neteller user by simply coming to this portion. I click on transfer. So I simply transfer the money to another Neteller user. So all I need from them is to give me their Neteller email address. So that's what Neteller requires to send money to another Neteller user. They simply give me their Neteller email. There is a fee of 1.45%, which I can accept. It's fair enough. So I simply ask them to give me their Neteller email. So I'll simply enter the email here. I'll enter the email address of the Neteller user here, and the amount I'm sending. The next page gives me the option to enter the amount I want to send, and I will send the money, and the user will receive it instantly. So most Neteller traders in Nigeria, this is how they withdraw money from their Neteller, by simply selling the funds to another Neteller owner. So you simply use exchangers or the Neteller exchangers in Nigeria. You can go to a site like Nairaland. You see them, a lot of them are there. On Facebook, they are also there. So you can simply look for a honest Neteller exchanger, and you sell your Neteller funds to them, and they will pay you Naira immediately, depending on the exchange rate that you bargain with them. So that's it about Neteller, guys. I hope you found the video useful. So remember, with Neteller, you can use Neteller to send and receive money, and it's a good and popular e-wallet system. So I hope you found them useful. Please, if you have any question or comment, you can drop them in the video and I'll check it. Once again, if you enjoyed the video, please like it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.